Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the console out of the box. Plug the power brick and a high-speed HDMI 2. One cable into your TV, then turn it on. Create or sign into your Xbox account now because profiles carry saves and Game Pass. Enable two-factor for security. Next, connect to your home network. Use Ethernet for the best latency. Otherwise, select Wi-Fi and enter your password. Once done, the console will check for updates. Let it run while you move to the next step. Start the mandatory system update. This can take several minutes, so be patient and keep the console powered. Once updated, open display and sound settings and set resolution to 4K, choose 60 or 120 Hz depending on your TV, enable HDR and auto low latency mode so games look and feel right. Then configure storage. Use the internal SSD for fast load times and add an external USB 3. One drive or an official NVMe. Pair your controller with a USB cable or wireless. Check accessories app and update controller firmware for responsiveness. Sign into cloud saves and install your games. Use Game Pass or insert disks. Prioritize installs to the internal SSD when possible. Configure audio. Select optical or HDMI output. Enable Dolby Atmos or Windows Sonic if available. Finally, enable automatic updates so the system stays current. If you encounter network or sign-in failures, reboot router and console, then retry. That single reboot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.